you okay? Before I left Montreal, I decided to do just a little research on, because I'm very into visual arts. I like photographs, and I like paintings, and I like artists, and I'm in a very hub of artists in Montreal, like musicians, composers, and painters, and from young people to very old people. So I said, okay, let's do this kind of a small research. So I went to search for a photographer here in Basque Country. So I came here, and one day I said, okay, let's go. I showed the photograph of that she did, and I asked the dancer to look it very quickly, to look at maybe the details or the big pictures, and to just be going in the studio and propose something